Hello, this is Barga Technical Solution.
And I am Firdaus Rahman. In this video, we are going to see how to use an buzzer or piezo element, or in this case, we will be using a passive buzzer, and we will see how we can use it and how we can use it to play any kind of song or music. So let's see the diagram. This is a very simple diagram. We will take our buzzer and we will connect the positive side to pin number 9 and the negative sign to the ground side to the ground pin of our Arduino, and that's all in our diagram. So now let's go and see how we can program it.
Now this is our circuit. So here this is the buzzer that we are using, and here if see here this is the plus sign, so that is the positive side of this buzzer, which will be connected to the 9th pin number 9 of our Arduino, and the other side will be connected to the ground pin of our Arduino. So the circuit is as simple as that. Now let's go to our Arduino IDE and see how we can program it to make an beeping sound or just any kind of sound. So now we are in our Arduino IDE, and first let's see how we can basically use to create a tone or sound in our buzzer. So the first thing we need to do is we have to define our pin number, which is pin number 9. So we call it in constant speaker pin, and then in our void setup we set the pin mode to output, and to create the sound we need to use a special function called tone, where we will specify the pin number, the hertz, and the duration for how long we want to play the sound. And as we want to play the sound for 500 milliseconds, then we want a gap or we want a pause also. For that we will use a delay of 1000, because for 500 milliseconds it will be the sound will be playing, and for the rest of the 500 milliseconds of this 1000 milliseconds the sound will have a pause. So now if you are hearing, it is making a beeping noise, kind of like an alarm clock. So that's the basic thing we can do with this buzzer. So now let's go and see how we can actually play any song with this. So let's go to our Arduino IDE again. So now as we have learned the basic of how we can generate a sound, so let's go a little bit advanced and let's see how we can play a song. And we will be playing the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So here, as like every time I have declared the pin number, then we need to declare something more, which is the song length. So for song length, what we have done is I have written the number of notes that we will be playing. Then I have written all the notes here. So what I have done is, on Google, just go and search Twinkle Twinkle Little Star music sheet, and you will get the tone from there. And I have used Google again to get all the frequencies for those tones, and these are the first 14 tones, and that is the length of our song. Then the song beats, we need song beats. So the beats you will also get this from the music sheet. And for song tempo, this is an experimental thing. You have to experiment for which works best. For me 300 is working best, but for different song the tempo will be different. But what I have tested, 300 to 400 is a very good spot to start with. Then you can experiment. If it's not working, then just change it. Then we go to our void setup, and we set our pin to output, and then we come to our loop part.
Here we will be playing each of our note. So for that we need a for loop, and here is our for loop. It will be running until less than our song length, which is 14. So in that we also need a duration, because as we have seen in the tone function we need duration, which in our previous program we have set it to 500 milliseconds, but for this it is as it is be playing in a tone or playing in a consistent note, we need to set a duration. So for that I have what I have done is I have multiplied the beat with the song tempo. I have saved it in the duration variable, and then in tone function I have written the speaker pin, the song frequency which is here, and then I have the duration which will be collected from here, and then I need a delay between every note that will be playing. After every note there will be a delay of this duration, and then after every iteration of these 14 notes there will be a delay of 1000 millisecond. So now let's upload it to our Arduino.
Now if you can hear, it is playing the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star song. So that's how this thing works. So if you need any help in how you can actually get the song's frequency, song's beat or song tempo, you can actually search on Google and you will get a lot of tutorials for that. And if you still have any problem, you can comment me down below. So thank you everyone for watching the video, and please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more video like this.